Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 stuttering and FPS drops problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type Windows Update Settings and then make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then go back and go to GeForce Experience. And after that, go to drivers, check for updates and make sure to install the latest update that you can find, and then go to settings. And now enable image scaling, and after that restart your PC, and after restarting your PC open task manager and then just close all the applications that you don't need, applications that you know what they do, and after that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.